We'll guide you through how to connect your Namecheap domain to Cloudflare. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and log into your Namecheap account. Once you're in, go to the dashboard and select Domain List from the left sidebar. Find the domain you want to connect to Cloudflare and click the Mange button. Now, head over to Cloudflare's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can quickly sign up. After logging in, click on the Add a Site button. Enter your domain name and click Add Site. Cloudflare will prompt you to choose a plan. For most users, the free plan is sufficient, so go ahead and select that. Click Next and Cloudflare will scan your domain's DNS records. Review the records and make sure they are correct. If everything looks good, click Continue. Now, Cloudflare will give you 2 name servers. Go back to your Namecheap dashboard, navigate to the Name Servers section, and select Custom DNS from the drop-down menu. Enter the 2 Cloudflare name servers provided. Make sure to save the changes. It might take a few hours for the DNS changes to propagate, but once they're done, your domain will be connected to Cloudflare. You can confirm this by checking the status on Cloudflare's dashboard, where it will show your site as active. Remember, using Cloudflare can optimize your site's performance and security, so it's a great step to take. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.